Viewers, thank you for joining us on India Upfront. I want to begin by telling you that it takes more than just circus to make a leader. Let me say this again. Viewers, it takes more than just circus to make a leader. Ask the stalwarts in India Alliance what I mean. Rahul Gandhi's anti-Adani spectacle has fallen flat, failing to even impress Congress allies. Mamta Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Sharad Pawar, Lalu Yadav have withheld their support, expressing a profound no confidence in Rahul's leadership in fight against Prime Minister Modi. But instead of introspection, Congress remains mired in denial, relying on theatrics and props. And party loyalists applaud Rahul as a shadow PM, oblivious to the stark reality. Viewers, this disconnect fuels perceptions of Congress as out of touch and incapable of genuine leadership. In fact, Rahul Gandhi's recent anti-Adani antics have starkly exposed the widening chasm between ambitions and actual influence. Think about it. Rahul Gandhi's reliance on drama, dramatic speeches, symbolic gestures, photo opportunities can't compensate for policy depth or strategic vision. I'm not saying it. This is a reflection on Rahul Gandhi's abilities by none other than the allies. People crave substance, not spectacle. Congress must transition from mere opposition to constructive alternative. Viewers, Rahul Gandhi's anti-Adani showmanship has only highlighted his limitations. Congress must choose persist in denial or embark on genuine reform. India awaits a robust opposition, not mere theatrics. Will Congress rise to the challenge? Is this the real reason why Congress is not allowing the House to function? By targeting Rajya Sabha Chairman Dhankar, is Congress trying to divert attention from the real no-confidence story that is against Rahul Gandhi?
Is Mamta Banerjee capable? Yes. The voices from across the country, from various leaders, from various parties coming and saying, yes, she should lead. And that is because she has performed.
TMC MPs are saying that Mamta Banerjee should lead the India bloc right now.
That's a good joke.
एक या डिस्कशन फॉर्मेट जिससे आहे त्याच्याकरती ठरवत आहे
न तो ममता जी को दे दिया जाए।
हाँ दे दे।
कांग्रेस उसकी आपत्ति जता रही है लालू जी।
कांग्रेस की जताने से नहीं होगा, ममता को दो।
अभी आप उनको पकड़ के अभी आप नहीं लीडरशिप नहीं छोड़ेंगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा। ईगो ऐसा ही है, ईगो छोड़ना है।
You heard the reactions. Let's quickly open this up while, pictures of what Rahul Gandhi has been up to over the last few days in Parliament play on the right-hand side of your screen. Let's open this up. Dr. Ajay Alok, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Anand Ranganathan needs no introduction. Lokesh Jindal, political analyst. Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Tausif Ahmed Khan, lawyer, political analyst. And Vivek Srivastava, our very own Vivek Srivastava, will be joining us shortly. I want to begin with you, Lokesh. What is Rahul Gandhi up to? I mean, for all the, theatrics that he's been up to, even the alliance partners are not impressed. ये कर क्या रहे हैं आप लोग?
We are holding the government responsible for its failures. Rahul Gandhi is doing what the leader of opposition is supposed to do. What do you expect him? You expect him to clap at the theatrics of the ruling dispensation? That's not what his role is. He's bound to raise issues, questions, and if the government is not comfortable with them, the government needs to work upon getting suitable answers rather than questioning the very, I would say, legitimacy, or I would say, the very capability of the leader of opposition. That's not the way democracy functions. Pranesh, right now, what we expect is replies, answers, the entire parliament to function the way it is supposed to. There was no leader of opposition in the previous tenure, and the ruling dispensation.
Lokesh,
has
you
got
reply
used
to a
it.
question. You don't reply to a circus. What is the
No.
question Rahul Gandhi has been asking?
Rahul Gandhi has been asking what measures have been taken by the government on charges with respect to crony capitalism. Has the government come out with certain concrete plan with respect to it? There has been accusation with respect to the conduct of SEBI. Even the SEBI chairman has been brought to question before the Public Account Committee. There has been question with respect to conduct of few firms. So over here, the questions are serious. They raise serious topic with respect to corporate government.
There are now
governance,
serious
with
questions
respect
on
to the-
leadership ability of Rahul Gandhi. Ask your alliance partners. The government can come in later and answer the questions. Vivek Srivastava is back with us. Good evening, sir. How are you?
Yes. Oh, very fine, very fine. बताइए साहब.
आप क्या सोच रहे थे? मैं हालचाल नहीं पूछूंगा, सीधा सवाल पूछूंगा आपसे.
नहीं तो हालचाल तो मैंने पहले पूछ लिया आपसे.
But Vivek Srivastava, what is Rahul Gandhi up to? कभी किसी दिन मास्क ले आते हैं, कभी टी शर्ट ले आते हैं. आज वो बैग लेके खड़े थे.
हाँ.
वो बैग में देखा तो कुछ नहीं निकला.
हाँ. नहीं. अरे ही इज डूइंग सच अ ग्रेट जॉब. इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं. यंग आदमी है, फिजिकली फिट है, ब्लैक बेल्ट इन अकीडो. भारत जोड़ो यात्रा में हजारों किलोमीटर चल के आ गए. आई मीन वी हैव सच अ स्मार्ट लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन. नहीं ओलंपिक्स में क्यों मेरे? व्हाई डू यू वांट हाफ डेड हाफ डिकेड इल पीपल एज लीडर्स ऑफ द नेशन? व्हाई डोंट यू वांट फिजिकली स्मार्ट पीपल? उन्होंने मास्क लगा करके एक अच्छा मैसेज.
Who is the Congress president? 1 minute. Half dead, half decade मतलब क्या होता है?
हॉरर फिल्म. नहीं आप सुनिए. नहीं. हाफ डेड हाफ डिकेड का मतलब उन लोगों के लिए है जिनकी लाइफ से रोमांस खत्म. आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर यहाँ बीजेपी के प्रवक्ता हो गए, बीजेपी के नेता हो गए, संघ के लोग हो गए.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
डिप्रेस्ड लोग हैं. इनको पसंद है हॉरर मूवी.
अच्छा.
ट्रेन. नहीं सुनिए सर बोलने दीजिए ना. आई जस्ट टेक 10 सेकेंड्स. ट्रेन किसने जलाई? इनको ऐसी पिक्चर पसंद है. कश्मीरी पंडितों को किसने मारा? केरला में क्या हो गया? सो दे लाइक बेसिकली वायलेंस, राइटिंग. they don't like.
Chaliye, at least you concede that there was violence and rioting. Thank God, just to make your point, you've conceded. Dr. Ranganathan कुछ दिखा रहे. What is it, Dr. Ranganathan?
नहीं मैं एक्चुअली गुड इवनिंग. बिफोर आई कम टू द थ्रस्ट ऑफ माय टॉपिक, मैं ये जरा रोमांस दिखाना चाहता हूँ विवेक जी के जो मास्टर हैं पिनराई विजयन जी और अडानी जी के बीच में. ये 10,000 करोड़ ये कम्युनिस्ट गवर्नमेंट दे रही है अडानी को. ये जितना जो बढ़ चढ़ के बोल रहे हैं ना, प्यार करो, प्यार इश्क करो, रोमांस की बातें करो, जरा विवेक इस प्यार पे भी कुछ बोल दो. या ये हॉरर मूवी नहीं लगती है? प्रणेश,
अब आप सुन लीजिए.
यू वांट टू गो बैक टू?
जी
Yes, let's
अरे सर, I'll go to Adani. I'll go to Adani. I'll tell you on Kerala.
हाँ बोलिए सर.
बता दो ना.
नहीं अब आप ड्रैकुला की पिक्चर देख के आए हैं, ड्रैगन की पिक्चर देख के आए हैं, पर आप सुन लीजिए अब आप. नहीं इश्क कौन सा है? इश्क में ये है जब ऑपोजिशन वाला. सुनिए. अरे सर पहले आप सुन तो लीजिए. अरे दुल्हनिया को छोड़ो. अभी आपको दूल्हा दुल्हनिया हीरो विलन सब दिखाएंगे. हाँ
नहीं जीले अपनी जिंदगी. सिमरन नहीं विजय नहीं है तो भाई ये जरा बता दो.
इसका मतलब आपने दिलवाले दुल्हनिया देखी हुई है. That's damn good.
अडानी ट्रेन में.
No, but Vivek Srivastava, one minute. You are praising 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. आप डॉक्टर रंगनाथन का जो सवाल है वो तो आप जवाब दीजिएगा ही. चलिए आपको और समय देता हूं to prepare for it. But let me ask you a more direct question. You are saying Rahul Gandhi is young, dynamic. अभी सुन लीजिए, मैं अच्छा बोल रहा हूं राहुल गांधी के लिए. Rahul Gandhi is young, dynamic, all of that etc. Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Sharad Pawar, लालू प्रसाद यादव ये बोल रहे हैं राहुल से नहीं हो पाएगा.
जी नहीं, ऐसा किसी ने नहीं कहा, ऐसा किसी ने भी नहीं कहा है. And the Congress party has gone out of the way. In UP, they gave full respect to Akhilesh, fought the elections under his leadership for these 9 seats. And in the coming UP elections also, it is the Samajwadi Party which is going to call the shots because they are the strongest player over there. You have to appreciate that Congress is a national party. They have a national presence in almost every state. That respect has to be given. So, and that respect was given. I mean, as per the seats of the Congress, he became the leader of opposition, and we have a lot of expectations from him. And as far as the leader of India Alliance or a convener is concerned, that can be talked of and decided. Nobody is against Rahul. Nobody is against Congress. There is complete understanding between all the Ghatak Dals of India Alliance. So is confusion ko hata dijiye aap. If you are thinking that Mamata Banerjee is fighting, this is fighting, that is fighting, no. I'm sorry. That doesn't hold true,
okay.
And that will not hold true in the future.
Before I bring in Ajay Alok, let's hear from Vivek Silas. Vivek Silas, आपके जो नेम सेट है विवेक श्रीवास्तव, वो तो इतना तारीफ कर रहे हैं राहुल गांधी. आप लोगों को कहां कमी नजर आ रही है और क्या करेंगे राहुल गांधी कि आप उनको नेता मानेंगे?
Look, Pranesh, at the moment I can just say this politics is not only about Adani, you know. India has many other issues. But Adani too is a very serious matter because it is related to corruption and bribe of 2,200 crore rupees, you know. It is a burning issue, no doubt. But there are other issues like inflation you have. The border issues are, you know, very serious. Then you have security of women. You are seeing what is happening in the capital city of Delhi. Pharma is a big issue. They are in agitating against the government. Bangladesh is an issue. Manipur is an issue. There are not many issues that have to be discussed.
I am asking you, why do you think Rahul Gandhi can't be the leader of the India Alliance? Why? एक दो reasons बता दीजिए.
You know, these things cannot be discussed on a TV screen, you know. But I think India Alliance, as Vivek Srivastava ji said, stands united, and we'll sit down and you discuss who the leader could be. And if Mamata ji is the leader of, or she heads the India Alliance, I think there's no harm in it because she is an experienced politician. She has been risen from the grassroots level. She has struggled all her life and she has given a tough time to the Bharatiya Janata Party in all the elections in West Bengal. So I think if Mamata ji is proposed as the head of the India Alliance,
okay,
it's good for us, no problem.
Okay. Now, Ajay Alok, the opposition is saying that, look, Rahul Gandhi can't be cheering the government. His job as leader of opposition is to show the mirror or hold the mirror to the government. वो वही काम कर रहे हैं.
Well, Pranesh, after listening to your debate for so long, I remember a lesson in physics which is called as induction effect. You know, this Rahul Gandhi induction effect had gone into Vivek Srivastava's head and everyone's head. I mean, look at have you seen in the last 75 years, leader of opposition playing a mock play outside the parliament? In any of the parliament all across the world, have you seen a LOP? One day dancing with the t-shirt, one day dancing with the cap, and today dancing with the bag. So all the uniform of the school is there. I mean, this Rahul Gandhi might be very handsome, very good looking, very charming. But one thing is seriously missing. That's the grey matter. Now, if you talk that who's going to be the India Alliance leader, let me ask you. Has it been ever announced before Lok Sabha polls? Since 2022, we are listening about this Ghamandiya, India, Falana, Dhimkana, sometime Nitish coming out, Mamata going out, something coming in, something going out. Have you any time listened that there has been elected a president of the India Alliance or a convener of the India Alliance? Or any official letter by India Alliance given in the Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha, like what we have given that there is an NDA Alliance and NDA Alliance leader is Narendra Modi. In the Lok Sabha and in Rajya Sabha is JP Nadda, what we have given. Have you heard of any such letter? Where was this India Alliance? Why we are talking about this? They were never this alliance. Mamata Banerjee was never part of it. Mamata just threw Congress away from and communists away from the Bengal. Like what communists did in Kerala. They fought with Congress. Where was this alliance? In Punjab, AAP fought with Congress. They were together only in the state of Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, just for their own survival. This is a fact. And now they are realizing that after this 99 effect, the so-called grey matter is thinking something else. This is a fight for again Bhaijan, who gets the vote of Bhaijan all across through. which
Right.
Congress now thinks they dominate all across India. This is not getting very well naturally deglutited by all these parties.
Right.
So they want to get rid of this man who's blessed with a disease called obsessive compulsive neurosis, that is Rahul Gandhi.
Okay. Dr. Ranganathan,
That good for
what
them.
what is your diagnosis of what ails Rahul Gandhi, the leader?
नहीं बड़े बड़े डॉक्टर्स डायग्नोज नहीं कर पाए मैं कैसे कर पाऊंगा यू नो देयर इज अ सीन इन लगान वेयर आई थिंक रामलाल सेज टू मेम साहब ये मुझसे नहीं हो पाएगा I think nobody has been able to diagnose it. But to be on a serious side, you have to be on the same planet as Rahul Gandhi to make sense of him. The problem is the planet isn't Earth. अब आप ये देखिए ये लगे हुए हैं तानपुरा like a metronome. He's on Adani issue. Please, somebody, is he not surrounded by a coterie? I thought he was those male au pairs, Jairam Ramesh and Shashi Tharoor and all those guys. Are they not advising him that this is simply not working? And it's not working because of this terrific, I don't know what other word to, it's just hypocrisy. Plain and simple hypocrisy. Right now, just as Rahul Gandhi shows a school bag with Adani and this thing, Modi, or he wears something, the Congress government's erstwhile and present and India Alliance members are invested 1 lakh crores into Adani companies. I mean, I've heard Vivek saying crony capitalism. Look at this. This is crony communism. This is Pinarayi Vijayan investing 10,000 crores in Adani. And the same Adani is being called corrupt by Rahul Gandhi, the alliance partner of Pinarayi Vijayan. How does it work? Mamata Banerjee invested in Adani. Congress government in Telangana invested in Adani. Erstwhile Chhattisgarh, everyone is investing in Adani. And Rahul Gandhi harping on and on and on about Adani being corrupt. But if he is corrupt, then the first thing you do is break off alliance with every partner who is investing in Adani. Number 2, you remove the chief ministers of your Congress ruled states who are investing in Adani. Agar dam hai to ye kar do, varna chup raho. You're making a complete mockery out of, I don't know, whatever senses you have. And number 2, Pranesh, people have a long memory, they understand. All those 3 farm laws that Rahul Gandhi said Modi must take back the black laws, they were verbatim in the Congress manifesto drawn up by Rahul Gandhi and Jairam Ramesh 2019 one. So people look at this. You are no longer a leader of opposition. You have reduced yourself to being opposition of leader. This is what they're doing. They believe Modi is India. India is Modi, like Indra is India and India is India, they used to say. The problem is every time Rahul Gandhi comes up with an issue, even if it may be a legitimate issue, concerns might be legitimate. The problem is he and his party and his alliance partners indulge in hypocrisy. And people say, well, you are the one, it's rich coming from you. That is the issue, Pranesh. And unless Rahul Gandhi solves that, I'm afraid Modi is going to win the next election as well.
Well, the alliance partners are not waiting for Rahul Gandhi to solve any of it. They have said, we've had enough. Tausif Ahmed Khan, why can't Rahul become the leader of Team India?
Well, for obvious reasons, Mamata Banerjee has said that she has the better strike rate in comparison to other alliance leaders and other alliance political parties. And she comes with an experience which is very long. She has a proven track record of defeating BJP. The goal of the alliance is to remove Narendra Modi from power, is to remove BJP from power at the center. In 2024, to some extent, they were able to stop BJP from getting a majority mark on their own. And after that, in 3 subsequent elections, the performance of Congress has not been so inspiring. Therefore, there's a strategy devised by Mamata Banerjee, and she has opened it for others, and other opposition leaders have accepted it. Many of them have expressed it, whether in Maharashtra or in Bihar or in Uttar Pradesh.
Senior leaders of Team India, including Sharad Pawar, Akhilesh Yadav, are on board. They are at least united in one thing, that we don't want Rahul Gandhi as our leader. But Lokesh Jindal here and Vivek Srivastava, for some reason, लोकेश जिंदल का तो समझ में आता है, विवेक श्रीवास्तव आप क्यों राहुल गांधी कर रहे हैं? डॉक्टर रंगनाथन कुछ बोल रहे
मेरी
हैं।
बात सुनिए पहले. First of all, the BJP प्रवक्ता.
joining Congress.
No, I'll just take 10 seconds, then Anand can respond. Acha, fine. No, I'm not joining Congress. I'm a Kattar communist. I will remain a communist. And I'm so happy that Dr. Ranganathan is an Amir Khan fan also. He's seen Lagan. He's a Shah Rukh Khan fan. अब सलमान खान की फिल्म एक और बता देना डिबेट से पहले आप.
नहीं, क्या
And yes,
problem है?
the BJP guys are going to be hell of a lot angry. How can you like a movie of the Khans?
अरे वो एग्जाम्पल क्या दे रहे थे आप, वो छोड़ के
खान
आप
के
स्टार
फैन
पे
हैं
चले
आप, डॉक्टर आनंद रंगनाथन।
गए।
ये था
सारी
No, Rahul Gandhi
अच्छा।
is holding. एक second,
See,
Vivek,
see.
Vivek,
Now-
एक second, just 5 seconds. Vivek is holding Pinarayi Vijayan's
हाँ।
wrist like this, and
Yeah.
then suddenly he says, "जा Vijayan, जा, अदानी के पास जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी."
बोलिए विवेक श्रीवास्तव, बताइए।
Okay. Now see, I'll देखिए the BJP spokesperson over here is not aware of the details of the India Alliance. When India Alliance was formed, first of all, a major
Vivek
coordinating
Srivastava,
committee
this is
of
not
30
about
members
India
was
Alliance. You
formed
always
with
get the wrong end of the
representatives from all
stick.
the major
I am
parties.
asking you about
Sir,
Rahul
sir,
Gandhi's
sir,
leadership. Vivek, नहीं,
No,
Vivek Srivastava
because
जी,
he's
please.
saying-
नहीं, please.
Sir,
I am asking you,
मैं बता रहा हूँ ना,
forget
सर, मुझे सिर्फ
for
10
a
दीजिए,
moment,
सर।
forget for a moment, sir. What Dr. Ajay Alok said. He was making the larger point that look, the leader of opposition has to behave seriously. वो बोल रहे थे. I am asking you, Mamata Banerjee, Akhilesh Yadav, Sharad Pawar, Arvind Kejriwal, all the others, Lalu Prasad Yadav, वो बोल रहे राहुल गांधी नहीं चाहिए हमको.
Yes.
Why are they saying that?
जी सर, मेरे को 20 सेकंड दे दीजिए. आप मुझे 20 सेकंड अनइंटरप्टेड दीजिए. कुछ मत बोलिएगा, उत्तर मिल जाएगा. The moment India Alliance was formed, there were at least 8 or 9 committees, including the Media Coordination Committee, the main coordinating committee, which were in order, which had representatives from all parties. State-wise work was divided as per the leadership. Again, I'm telling you, for example, in Uttar Pradesh, it is Samajwadi Party and Akhilesh which is calling the shots. In South, it was the DMK. And so the work was divided. In certain states where we could not strike a deal with each other, we fought against each other also. So, everything is in order. The position of the India Alliance convener, it can be taken by anyone democratically. Discussions can be done. But at the moment, it appears that the Congress being the largest party with the maximum number of seats, whether it is Rahul or somebody else from the Rahul, that seems a little more logical. However, there are many more other senior people. You have Mr. Sharad Pawar. Okay, and you have so many parties over here, and we have so many people. So that can be discussed in a meeting. But work is already happening. If you think it is one party, the Congress, or somebody else, which or for that matter,
that is not. You haven't. You haven't answered the question, Vivek Srivastava.
Yeah.
You know, this is classic deflection. और आप अब ये बहुत इसमें एक्सपर्टीज है आपका. मैंने आपको सवाल पूछा. One minute. If you are making it, one minute. If you are making it, like a referendum on states or by the states, तब स्टेट्स गिनिए. महाराष्ट्र शरद पवार ने कह दिया, उद्धव ठाकरे ने कह दिया राहुल गांधी नहीं चाहिए. वेस्ट बंगाल ममता बनर्जी ने कह दिया नहीं चाहिए. यूपी अखिलेश यादव ने कह दिया. दैट्स हाफ ऑफ इंडिया.
नहीं, अभी किसी ने किसी ने कुछ नहीं कहा है. और इंडिया अलायंस की फॉर्मल मीटिंग कोऑर्डिनेशन कमेटी की बैठेगी, उसके बाद निर्णय होगा. कांग्रेस हैज अकोमोडेटेड इन महाराष्ट्र एवरीवन एंड आल्सो गिवन अ फ्री हैंड टू अखिलेश यादव टू डू व्हाटएवर ही वांट्स इन यूपी. And in fact,
who is Rahul Gandhi of the Congress party to give a free hand to
there is no confusion.
This is like the left saying that we are, allowing the Congress to take decisions. Vivek Srivastava. कुछ तो सर,
No, it's not that. It is not
of
that.
Of course it is.
Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh
Who's asking the left anyways? एक बात बताइए sir, 1 minute. With humility. With all humility. Vivek Srivastava, with all humility, I am asking you. Who's asking the left for its opinion? कौन पूछ रहा है? मैं ही पूछ रहा हूं आपसे शो पे. और कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन.
No, Pranesh, Vivek is right. The CPIM and Pinarayi Vijayan has given full right to Narendra Modi to exercise the foreign policy of India. So, Vivek is right there. Thank you, Pinarayi Vijayan, for doing that. It's like that meme. A guy comes and prepares himself just as a metro approaches a platform. And just as the metro is about to leave the platform, he does this to the metro, giving the impression that he is pushing the metro. अरे भाई, राहुल गांधी है कौन महाराष्ट्र में? महाराष्ट्र हारे हैं बिकॉज ऑफ राहुल गांधी. आप पूछिए महाविकास आघाड़ी से, विवेक, कौन से देश में रहते हैं आप? नॉर्थ कोरिया में तो नहीं.
सीट ज्यादा आई थी तो कांग्रेस की आई थी. What about the Lok Sabha results when the Congress did splendidly well? And even then, in the state seat distribution, they were very gracious. They gave a lot of extra seats to both the other partners.
Vivek, I know you are a cutter communist and you want to
तो
join the Congress, but
don't say
please.
that. Na?
Okay. Let me ask you a more substantive question. चलिए, विवेक श्रीवास्तव, अब इसमें don't run away. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन बोल रहे थे क्रोनी कम्युनिज्म. उन्होंने फोटो दिखाया. राहुल गांधी, what has been, what has he been doing? T-shirt, mask, bag. Modi Adani चोर है, etc., etc.
Yeah, I support that.
You support that.
Yes,
You are opposing this alliance, that this this
Yes.
deal that Mr. Vijayan has with the Adani group. You can't be supporting both.
Yeah, no. Coming to that now. अब आप सुन लीजिए पहले. No. Listen to me. वो बच्चों वाला discussion नहीं. Dr. Ranganathan, please listen to me very carefully. First of all, you should know that how in various sectors deals are struck, in which sectors, power sector, solar sector, where Adani is working and what is the nature of the deals. Number two, you should also know, Dr. Ranganathan, that when he comes to Telangana or he comes to Kerala, deals are struck as our terms and conditions.
Wow.
That is where the problem is. But when he goes to Maharashtra or he goes to a BJP ruled state,
So,
he takes more money from the state
Dr.
and
Ranganathan,
diverts it a
let
little
me-
to himself and little to the BJP.
Dear
And
viewers,
that is how crony capitalism
dear
works.
viewers and dear Dr. Ranganathan, I want to simplify what Vivek Srivastav is saying. He is saying, राहुल गांधी ने जो मोदी अडानी का टी शर्ट पहना है उसमें बहुत बड़ा नीचे एस्टेरिक मार्क है, उसमें कंडीशन अप्लाई लिखा हुआ है, वो दिख नहीं रहा है. टू नॉर्मल ह्यूमन आई इट इज नॉट विजिबल. It needs a 3D imaging power, what have you, to see that, and only Vivek Srivastav can see and read it. Now according to the deals that are signed, उससे decide होगा crony capitalism क्या है. Vivek Srivastav, please, you think people who watch television debates, क्या वो मतलब ऐसे ही आ जाते हैं क्या?
नहीं किया.
क्या बोल रहे हैं सर आप?
नहीं.
तो Adani is clean when he does Adani's deals with India Alliance partners, with left, with Congress in Telangana is clean. When he has a deal in a BJP ruled state, Adani corrupt hai, Adani should be arrested. Rahul Gandhi has more faith in the Department of Justice than Joe Biden. 1 minute.
हमारी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट का भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करो.
तो कहां कर रहे हैं आप?
इन्वेस्टिगेशन.
Why don't you suspend the deal? Why don't you suspend the deal? Just scrap the deal. Scrap the deal. Tell Pinarayi Vijayan to scrap the deal. Say that. Say that. Vivek Srivastav, say that. Say that on the show. Say Mr. Vijayan, scrap the deal with Adani. Say that. देखिए क्या होता है आपका. बोलिए सर, बोलिए.
नहीं, हमने तो कहा ना सर, आप इन्वेस्टिगेट करिए.
नहीं,
आप इन्वेस्टिगेट करिए. वो हर स्टेट डील जो ऑपोजिशन की पार्टी कर रही है, ऑपोजिशन का स्टेट कर रहा है, वो गलत है. आप पकड़िए हमको, आप डालिए हमको जेल में. लेकिन बीजेपी की जो डील्स हैं उनको भी पकड़िए. आप इन्वेस्टिगेट करिए.
फिर जवाब नहीं दे रहे.
विवेक जी, आप क्यों भाग रहे हैं इन्वेस्टिगेशन? Why are you becoming the spokesperson of Adani? Why is the BJP spokesperson a spokesperson of the Adani?
Mr. Vijayan is the spokesperson of Adani. Revant Reddy is the spokesperson of Adani. Vivek Srivastav, ये आपका जो...
No, he is not. He is
Of
not.
course.
हम उनको पट्टा डाल के रखते हैं.
पट्टा?
हमारे राज्य में अडानी को पट्टा डाल के रखते हैं. आपके राज्य में आप पैसा बांटते हैं. आधा उसकी जेब में, आधा बीजेपी की जेब में. आप करिए इन्वेस्टिगेट. आप बीजेपी के स्टेट्स को भी इन्वेस्टिगेट करिए, हमें भी इन्वेस्टिगेट करिए. We are inviting you. We challenge you. We challenge you.
Why are you inviting others to investigate you?
हम तो तैयार हैं. हम तो कह रहे हैं.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
करो इन्वेस्टिगेट. हाँ, करो इन्वेस्टिगेट.
You want Department of Justice to come here investigate Mr. Vijayan? Why can't Mr. Vijayan investigate Adani? But before that, scrap the deal. अजय आलोक, ये देखिए, अडानी के जो डील है वो नॉन बीजेपी स्टेट्स में वो ठीक है.
Pranay ji, that clearly explains that the US court indictment that the Adani's offered for 2,200 crore bribe was offered in the states of in the state of Tamil Nadu, in the case of Telangana, Odisha. All these comes true because when the so-called spokesperson of the Congress, who claims himself to be a communist, but right now is a cocktail, he claims कि हमारे टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस पे होता है. तो आपके टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस क्या थे? कि बिना घूस लिए हुए कोई काम नहीं देंगे अडानी को.
बताइए, जो संविधान की
इसीलिए
बात
तो आपके
करते
स्टेट्स का नाम आया है।
पीपल, डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, आई एम अम्यूज्ड।
Investigate. Why doesn't your chief minister come up?
Need to respond.
I am
Why
amused.
doesn't Rahul Gandhi go and ask your chief minister? कितने पैसे लिए यार बताओ?
यही तो
और
सवाल
शेर
है।
पूरा गांधी परिवार के पास पहुंचा क्यों नहीं?
लोकेश
हम क्यों
जिंदल,
आए? That's why he's protesting.
लोकेश, पीपल हु स्वेयर बाय संविधान और वो बोलते हैं हम डेमोक्रेसी बचाएंगे, वो ये बोल रहे हैं कि हम पट्टा डाल के रखते। अब आप देखिए, ऐसा पट्टा डाल दिया कि कल बीआरएस को प्रोटेस्ट भी नहीं करने दिया। उन्होंने सेम शर्ट पहना हुआ था राहुल गांधी ने जो पहना हुआ था।
Pranesh, let's not dilute the seriousness of this issue.
Rahul Gandhi has diluted the seriousness of it. Go ask Rahul Gandhi.
Pranesh, presently, the public limited companies, they are able to pledge their shares as collateral securities and are able to raise finances, and any form of unfair practice can put the entire financial sector of the country into danger.
But Lokesh,
Right now, what Rahul Gandhi is saying. Rahul Gandhi says that why are the stocks rising so high whereas the underlying securities
Great.
are not worth the rate at which the
let's
share
believe
price
Rahul
is
Gandhi.
quoted.
Then walk the talk. That is what Dr. Ranganathan is saying. If Rahul Gandhi really believes in what he is saying or in what you are saying, he should just snap ties with the left. He should sack Revanth Reddy. Will Rahul Gandhi do that?
Pranesh, you're missing the larger point here. The point is, today there's a business house which has immense capability to raise finances from the capital markets, from the banks, from all forms of instruments, solely because the shares of one particular entity are way more than the underlying assets. So that is
Lokesh,
something
sorry,
that is
I
being
can't
called
make
for
sense of
into
this
court.
argument.
And
Dr.
that is,
Ranganathan, if you
that is
can,
a national issue.
please help our viewers understand.
As I said, you have to be on the same planet as Rahul Gandhi to make sense of him, and it isn't Earth. ये कैसी बातें कर रहे हैं? The world over, the moment you accuse someone of being corrupt, institutional wise included, you scrap and suspend all dealings with that person till such time investigations prove him either guilty or innocent. I challenge Rahul Gandhi. I challenge Pinarayi Vijayan. I challenge Mamta Banerjee. I challenge the Punjab Chief Minister to suspend all dealings that are worth 1 lakh crores with Adani. Walk the talk. झोला लेके आ जाते हो, कभी अंडरवेयर, कभी बनैन, क्या लगा रखा है, यहाँ मजाक करा हुआ है।
विवेक साइलस, अगर अडानी इशू है, जो कि एक इशू आप बोल रहे हैं कि है, तो आप लोग एक तो
लगता इशू है,
मैं तो मान रहा हूं, आप लोग बोल रहे हैं अडानी बहुत बड़ा इशू है। इतना बड़ा इशू है कि रेवंत रेड्डी वहां डील करके बैठे हैं, पिनराई विजयन डील करके बैठे हैं, विवेक श्रीवास्तव जिनकी वैल्यू सिर्फ यहां नहीं है, भारत से बीजिंग तक इनको सीरियसली सुनते हैं लोग, वो बोल रहे हैं कि आप इन्वेस्टिगेट कीजिए। भाई इन्वेस्टिगेट कौन करेगा? आपकी अपनी पुलिस है। ये तो आप ईडी सीबीआई तो मानते नहीं है। अगर भगवान न करे कोई ऐसा इन्वेस्टिगेशन हो गया तो ये बोलेंगे डेमोक्रेसी खतरे में है। व्हाट स्टॉप्स द विजयन गवर्नमेंट फ्रॉम स्ट्रैपिंग द डील? व्हाट स्टॉप्स द कांग्रेस गवर्नमेंट इन तेलंगाना फ्रॉम स्ट्रैपिंग द डील विद अडानी एंड प्रोबिंग हिम? मैं एक सीधा सवाल है, उसका जवाब दीजिए।
देखिए, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के एक मुख्यमंत्री हैं जो लगता है कि वो कहते हैं कि अडानी जो है वो करप्ट है। वो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के मुख्यमंत्री हैं और उनका नाम है योगी आदित्यनाथ जी। उन्होंने अडानी के 3 प्रोजेक्ट डॉक्टर रंगनाथन उत्तर प्रदेश में कैंसिल किए, इंक्लूडिंग द इलेक्ट्रिकल मीटर्स which were just looting the people of उत्तर प्रदेश। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक मुख्यमंत्री है जो कहता है कि अडानी जो है करप्ट है, इसलिए
तब आप
यहां
क्यों बोलते हैं मोदी अडानी एक साथ है?
इसलिए इस पे
नहीं, फिर आप क्यों बोलते हैं मोदी अडानी एक साथ है? दोनों बातें
मोदी अडानी एक साथ है।
अच्छा, योगी अडानी एक साथ नहीं है और मोदी योगी भी एक नहीं है।
क्यों कैंसिल किए प्रोजेक्ट?
तो आप कैंसिल कर दीजिए ना, कैंसिल कर दीजिए प्रोजेक्ट जो ऑपोजिशन रूल स्टेट्स में है, कैंसिल कर दीजिए, अडानी को जेल में डाल दीजिए।
अडानी अगर गलत है तो उनको जेल जाना पड़ेगा।
राहुल गांधी
आज नहीं जाएंगे, कल नहीं परसों जाना तो पड़ेगा ही,
क्योंकि पट्टा डाल दिया आप लोगों ने।
पट्टा नहीं डाला है सर,
पट्टा डाल दिया मतलब क्या होता है? विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
आप इंडिया के बाहर देखिए, आप केनिया देखिए, स्विट्जरलैंड देखिए, फ्रांस देखिए, बांग्लादेश देखिए, श्रीलंका देखिए, ऑस्ट्रेलिया देखिए, हर जगह अडानी को कुछ ना कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो रही है।
ये कम्युनिज्म का
कुछ ना कुछ चल रहा है।
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन,
इन्वेस्टिगेशन होनी चाहिए,
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन
होनी चाहिए।
वो देखिए वो क्या दिखा रहे हैं, उनके वो विजिलेंस दिखा रहे हैं, ये विजिलेंस डिपार्टमेंट है सरकार के पास, उनको कुछ करना
नहीं
चाहिए।
नहीं, कौन सी सरकार? विजिलेंस एंड एंटी करप्शन डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गवर्नमेंट ऑफ केरला। ये लो भाई विवेक श्रीवास्तव जी, अगर आप पे हिम्मत थी, अगर पिनेरा विजयन पे इन्वेस्टिगेट करना था, तो एक भी केस इस विजिलेंस डिपार्टमेंट ने क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक लागू? आंसर इट।
डॉक्टर रंगनाथन
कर लिया।
आप जरा ये भी बताइए ना कि उत्तर प्रदेश में प्रोजेक्ट क्यों कैंसिल
केरल के
हुए?
अंदर पट्टा डाल के काम कराते हैं पूंजीपतियों से। हाँ, आई टोल्ड यू ना,
पट्टा डालना
डाल
ये
के काम कराते हैं, चाहे अडानी हो या कोई और।
पट्टा डालना मतलब क्या होता है सर?
उतरेंगे केरला में।
पट्टा डालना मतलब क्या होता है?
उतरे थे, उसमें कौन गिल्टी?
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, विवेक श्रीवास्तव
के खिलाफ गुजरात में क्या एक्शन लिया सरकार ने?
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
नहीं पता।
पट्टा डालना ये क्या, इससे संविधान बचेगा?
यस,
ऐसे बचाएंगे संविधान पट्टा डाल के?
बिल्कुल, पट्टा डाल के क्रोनी कैपिटलिज्म इन कंट्रोल। तो बिजनेस करना है, बिजनेस करो, लोगों के फेवर में काम करो। भ्रष्टाचार करोगे, क्रोनी कैपिटलिज्म करोगे तो पकड़े जाओगे। यह है केरल का इंसाफ। गुजरात नहीं है कि ड्रग्स उठा करके हजारों करोड़ की बेच दो और आपको जो है बचाया जाए और भाजपा वाले खड़े होकर के आपके प्रवक्ता बन जाएं और पार्लियामेंट में डिस्कशन ना अलाउ कर दें। ये बड़ी क्लियर सी बात है।
अरे विवेक जी, भारतीय जनता पार्टी
में काम करना
प्रवक्ता क्या है?
विवेक श्रीवास्तव,
काम करना है, अपनी लिमिट में काम करना पड़ेगा।
बहुत बढ़िया। एंकर को भी पट्टा लगा दीजिए, उसको भी बोलने मत दीजिए, सबको पट्टा लगा दीजिए। जो आपसे सवाल पूछे उसको बस पट्टा पहना दो। यही पट्टा पहना पहना के लेफ्ट का ये हाल हुआ है। ऐसा वोटर्स ने आपको पट्टा पहनाया है विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप हंस लीजिएगा बाद में, आज पूरा ये रिकॉर्डिंग देख के हंसिएगा आप। ऐसा वोटर्स ने आपको पट्टा पहनाया है कि ये हाल हो गया है कि आप लोग क्या बोलते हैं दिल्ली में और वहां केरला में क्या बोलते हैं उसका कुछ पता ही नहीं है। विवेक साइलेंस को भी हंसी आ रही है, लेकिन ये अलायंस धर्मा में हंस नहीं रहे। ये सोच रहे हैं कि कैसे हंसे, अलायंस धर्मा है। अब आप देखिए, लोकेश जिंदल, यू थिंक अडानी इज करप्ट? आंसर्स द क्वेश्चन, इज अडानी करप्ट?
Pranesh, I don't know that.
You don't know, but राहुल गांधी knows.
योगी जी से पूछिए ना,
बताइए।
योगी जी से पूछिए, बता देंगे वो।
राहुल गांधी गुस्सा हो जाएंगे।
लोकेश जी,
लोकेश जिंदल,
योगी आदित्यनाथ जी से पूछिए, बता देंगे कि क्यों उन्होंने 3 प्रोजेक्ट कैंसिल किए अडानी के उत्तर प्रदेश में। करप्शन था इसीलिए ना। तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी तो खुद मान रही है कि अडानी करप्ट है, तो इन्वेस्टिगेशन क्यों नहीं हो सकती?
योगी मॉडल फॉलो करिएगा। डॉक्टर रंगनाथन।
नहीं, देखिए सीधी सी बात है लोकेश, there are already too many suspended members, Congress members that come on the panel. I don't want Lokesh to be one. So please requesting Lokesh to please toe the line of Rahul Gandhi. But as far as my good friend Vivek is concerned, they're using such egregious language for wealth creators ki patta बांध के रखते हैं। The only saving grace is कि in his beloved country China पट्टे मिलते नहीं क्योंकि वो dogs खा जाते हैं। पट्टा किसको बांधेंगे? So Vivek, पहली बात, you have been thoroughly smashed, your arguments have been smashed tonight on national television because the same Adani who you believe is crony capitalist has been invested to the tune of thousands of crores by your own chief minister, and you have a vigilance department that is not investigating this corrupt person that you call Adani.
Okay, gentlemen, I thank some of you for joining us on debate number 1. We'll have to shift our attention to another important story that we must discuss. Justice is due.